NoMoreNoobie here. The PS5 comes with ShareFactoryStudio creator packs. There are 7 in total, and this video is showing you all that the metal creator pack can offer you. Generally there are custom intros, outros, stickers, screenshots, transitions and sound effects, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. Don't forget to watch all the other creator pack videos so you learn what they can offer you too. So to start with, let's look at the metal intros, title and outros. Now let's take a look at the metal screenshots. Next we can see the metal transitions. And here are the metal stickers on offer. And in terms of metal text fonts, there's just one on offer as shown here. Coming up next are the metal sound effects.
Advance! Back up! Be gone. Dead again, are we? Clip it! Ha ha! Challenge me! You've been defeated! Did you say something? Time to forge a new weapon! It just hits different. Game over. My eyes deceive me. Let's see that again. Not on this day. Stand and fight. So, we meet again. Your shield is weak. Stand aside! Stand down! Surely you jest. I've had too much ale. Let's see that again! That will leave a mess. That'll leave a mark! Ha-ha! Victory! Weak! What kind of armor is that? Why are you running away?
So this was just one of the 7 creator packs that are available. Do check out the other videos that are on screen now and in the description to see all the other creator packs. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Please also support the channel using NoMoreNoobie as a support or creator code in the item shop, and thanks very much for watching, and bye.